Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Happy Friday, guys. I have a small Dollar Tree haul. We just kind of ran in there, grabbed a few things that we needed, and I picked up, of course, you always pick up something else you don't need at Dollar Tree. So I figured I'd come on here and share it with you guys. I wanted to thank everybody for all the well wishes and prayers. I told you guys last week we had a family member that was in the hospital, pretty serious condition, but things are improving. So we spent a lot of time traveling, back and forth visiting and stuff. So I'm trying to get caught up with some stuff around this house because starting next week is when they're tearing off my old countertops, and we're going to figure out how we're going to do all this stuff with all my parrot cleaning and bowls and things with no sink for like a week in my kitchen. So this is going to be interesting. But anyway, let me flip you guys around over here so I can show you what I got. All right. Just a little bit of this stuff here today, too. My husband got another one of the charged lemonades that he loves from Dollar Tree. I picked up another one of these cherry splash. This was really good. I enjoyed it. Some people said that, it didn't have a lot of flavor, but I thought it was fine. I didn't think it was like overly sweet or anything like that. He also got another one of these Sweet Baby Ray's original beef jerky. He likes these a lot, I guess, because I think this is the third time he's bought those. He also picked up some asparagus. My husband loves asparagus. I do not. But this is the perfect little size. He'll eat this whole jar for dinner. Picked up a couple more of the cat food. My cat's really enjoying this stuff, so we got some of the super supper. He only likes to eat the pate kind now because, like I said, he's over 16 years old, and he doesn't like to chew all that much anymore. So I got him that one and the real chicken and tuna. So hopefully he likes both of these. I don't know. He's getting real finicky in his old age. Let's see. He picked up a orange pineapple Welch's. These are still $1.25, which is nice. Excuse me. It is so hot in this room right now. I don't have any air hooked up in this room, in my craft room, because years ago when I used to sew a lot of stuff, the smell of our wood stove would, not a lot. I mean, you could smell it, I guess, because people could smell it on the fabric. So I had the vent shut off in this room, so none of that from down in the basement would come up here. But it's hot in here today. And it also might look a little darker because I have all the shades closed in here to keep the sun out, because it's miserably hot today. He grabbed another one of the apple strawberry snack packs here. He likes those a lot. I got this, drank it on the way home. I don't get these very often because these are like $3.50. The Starbucks Frappuccino, I like the mocha. But every once in a while I like it for a nice little treat. So I got that. And then I picked these up. I haven't seen these before at Dollar Tree unless I just overlooked them all this time. But these are bleach tablets. That way that's, they're spill-free, mess-free, splash-free. So I guess they're just like these little tablets that you put into... Let's see if I can read the instructions. It's really not a lot. You can throw them in your laundry. You can use them in your toilets, hard surfaces, clean, remove mildew. Okay, here we go. 1 tablet to a gallon of water for heavily soiled stains. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. It's got all the instructions for all the different uses on the back here, and you get 20 of these little tablets. Because I hate bleach. I swear I always splash it onto something. As hard as I try not to, it seems that I do. And I don't use it that often, mainly to clean with and stuff. All right. That's it for that kind of stuff. Like I said, this is not a big haul at all. My husband got another pack of these men's crew socks. These are collections by Juncture. That's a Dollar Tree brand. But these socks are pretty nice. And these were, let's see. What was that I paid? Oh, those. Seriously, these were $4? Never mind, I'll tell you when I get to those. Huh. Wow, get the heck out of here. Anyway, sorry, I'm just going over this receipt. Sometimes I don't realize what I spent on some things because everything is just so screwy there anymore. Where the heck are the... there goes a noisy motorcycle. Where the heck are the socks? Okay, these were $6 for 5 pairs, so not too bad. So he got those. I picked up 2 of these. These are $1.50. Mats. I've seen people making a lot of cute little things out of these. So I picked up 2 of these watermelon ones. I figured that'll be something fun to do for summer if I ever get in here and can get back into doing crafting, because there is just so much going on right now. But hopefully we'll get to that. These I did not realize. These are 26 Dixie bowls. I bought these because we're going to go a week with like no kitchen sink and no dishwasher or anything. And, you know, my little sink in the bathroom is not going to be doing all these dishes. So I grabbed some of these, but these are 26. But I believe these, well, because they're Dixie brand, I guess, these were $4. But whatever, I'm going to need them. I also picked up like 4 packs of these paper cups. These are 16 fluid ounce ones. These were $1.50. But, you know, I'm going to need this kind of stuff because I'm just not going to want to haul. I could haul stuff down to my laundry room, which is downstairs in my basement, but I'm not going to do all that either. So we're just going to live with paper products and whatnot. I can't wait till this is over. I picked up this Mango Peach Wizard air freshener. I love these in my bathroom. I love the peach, and I love apples. My favorite one, the apple one, apple cinnamon one I get for in the wintertime, like around Christmas time. I always think that smells nice. So I picked up one of those. I got another pack of these goofy little mini hats. I bought those other ones I never got around to doing it, but I wanted to take some cute pictures and put these on my little chihuahuas. Just take their picture. I mean, they're not going to wear them, obviously, but I just thought it would be cute. And if I ever do get it done, I'll show you guys, because they're so stinking cute. But yeah, you get 4 of them. Oh, I thought there was only 3. You get 4. There's 2 red and 2 blue of these little mini hats. I don't know what you would do with these other than stick them on a chihuahua. I'm not quite sure because they're really small. Just for fun, I guess. I did grab another one of the Aliens tacky glue. I love having this stuff on hand. Use this for all kinds of things. So, got another one of those. I'll tell you, their Crafter Square section was very... Well, actually, this whole store is very pitiful all the time anymore. There's just boxes everywhere, and they had a whole bunch of people working there a couple weeks ago, and they're all gone already. So... I don't know. Things are just still in boxes. The shelves are like pretty empty in some sections, especially the crafting section. And where else was it that I thought was really bare? Down where they have all the containers and things like that. That was pretty much empty. I did buy another one of these retractable poles that, you know, they have all those different things you can hook onto them at Dollar Tree, little mops, brooms, whatever. But I like this because I can make it shorter, especially for like when I want to clean my bathroom walls and stuff in there in the shower. The long one was just very cumbersome working with that. So I did pick up another one of those. I'm very happy that they started making them. I picked up these little travel pack here for little different things. I figured I could probably use these in my craft room. Little spray bottle and a little one for, you know, whatever. It's just 2 travel sized bottles. I thought those were really pretty. The purple, you see little flowers on them. The one's a spray bottle. Oh, my hands are shaky today. And then I picked up these napkins. I thought these were really cool. These look like a marble thing. I thought that might be nice to decoupage on something for like a background. So that's pretty cool. I haven't seen those before. They also had like the plates and things in the party section to go along with that. My husband picked up this hat. Now this is a lady's hat, but he said he doesn't care for when he's mowing the grass out there and it's so hot. We're just going to take the pretty little bow off of there, even though he said he doesn't care. I'm taking the bow off. But he'll we'll see him out riding on his mower with this lovely sun hat. These are really nice, but whatever. He doesn't care. He's not a fashion person, you know. If it works for the thing he needs it for, it's fine. And this I picked up. I think this was this $6 or $5? I didn't buy that much stuff. This was $5. It's this big metal sun. I'm going to put this up in the front of our carport. I thought that looked really cute because he's getting ready to paint that. And then I thought this, you know, when you pull in the driveway, I thought this would be really cool hanging up on top where there's like a peak. And they also had another one that was like half the sun was on this side, and it was just kind of a little bit different. But I like this one the best. But if you're digging through these, be very careful because I literally cut my finger on these. I don't know how. There must have just been a sharp piece somewhere. But they're quite large. It doesn't have the size on here or anything. It's just called a sun wall decor. But I thought that was really cool. So that'll look nice up there. We used to have a wreath up there for years, and that is done. But that is it. That is what I picked up at Dollar Tree. There was nothing spectacular or out of the ordinary that I saw. I know there's a lot of stuff. Maybe I'll just take pictures sometime. In like the health and beauty section, they have all kinds of new stuff in there, but I just really don't need a lot of that stuff. So trying not to get things that I really am never going to use or don't need. Because let me tell you, cleaning out this kitchen to get these new countertops and stuff on, real wake-up call. 30 years of stuff being shoved in these bottom cabinets. But you know what? Good time to get rid of stuff. Declutter. All right, let me clean this stuff up here, and then I'll run out. I'll go grab Little P and bring him back so he can say hi. All right, here's Little P. What do you think, Little P? Brought your toy. You want it? Yeah. Say it's less crazy in here today. Usually he freaks out in here because of all the different things. But the kitchen is such a mess. He is not a happy camper. There's all kinds of boxes and weird things in there now. So I like going out in the kitchen on my play stand. That's freaking out. I got these big black, they're like big black bins that have yellow tops. I bought for my husband for Christmas to organize his stuff in the carport, but now we have them in here to pack up our stuff temporarily from the kitchen. But, so I'm not happy. As soon as we get done here, I got my shirt changed. We're going out. We're going to start sorting more cabinets out. I hate sorting things. I hate it, hate it, hate it, hate it. I am terrible at trying to make decisions on what to get rid of, what to keep. This is why I have so much stuff. But my daughter's coming down tomorrow, so she's going to help me out at least with that one cabinet that's got all my pans and pots and things and stuff back in there. I don't even know what's in there because I can't get to it. So I'm sure a lot of that's going to go. Okay. Because you know you have your favorite pots, pans, frying pans, stuff you use all the time. But then I have all these extra ones that I have that, you know, I might use someday. Well, they need to go away. Okay, and whatever they don't want, I'm going to give some to my daughter, my granddaughter, if she wants any of this stuff. If not, it'll go to the Goodwill, or if anybody else I know wants any of it. But somebody will get use out of it, huh, P? Because we just got too much stuff. Then they called today and said they're going to deliver some of the, like the tile and some lumber and stuff. And I don't even know where that's going right now for next week. I don't know. I really, really wanted this done, but man, is it just going to be a challenge, especially on my birds and stuff. It's going to be hard getting everything cleaned up and all that without the kitchen. All your fruits and veggies got to get chopped up in the morning. We'll have to do that probably in the living room for now. We'll have to set a table up in there or something. Okay. Because you guys got to have your breakfast. Yeah. You really love those things, don't you? Yeah, you do. I think we're running low. We're going to have to find some more for you. Yeah, it's been a challenge with him too, because he likes to be with us, and he's kind of scared to go out in the kitchen. He'll come out, but he just wants to scream now because he can't be with us for everything we're doing. Huh. It's just not fair. Baby, okay. Next week's going to be the crazy week when they start tearing it all apart. Yes, it is. And hopefully they hurry up and put it back together. But I know they said once they tear off the countertops, they got to measure everything and then cut out the new countertop. We're getting granite this time. We've always had laminate, and that'll be nice. But they said that could take like 3 days to get that cut. They tell you it's a 3-day project, but it is a 3-day project to put it in and get it done. But they don't remind you of the part until later on that it's going to be probably a week, week and a half by the time they tear it apart, measure everything, get it cut, then get back here to install it. That's the tricky part, huh? So yeah, it'll take 3 days total when they're here working, but oh, pay way, what we gonna do? Do you want to play scratchy scratches with your stuff here today? Here, let me make you a pile. No, don't come over here. You can't have my phone. I'm waiting for them to call me back. There you go. Let me lower you down here. You like to do the chicken scratch, huh? Now don't go over there and get into trouble. Here, I'll put it back in a pile for you. Okay. I know, the floor. It's so exciting. Now nobody can see you again. There you are. You're such a goofy boy. You're a goofy, goofy boy. You're so funny. You're so funny. Is that fun? Yeah, I dig it like that. Yeah. See, he'd be such a happy boy if you could just sit and play with him all day, doing stuff like this. He'd be happy, happy. But guess what? We got stuff to do. Sorry. Trust me, you get lots of attention. Lots and lots and lots. Ain't that fun? Alright, we're going to let everybody go here in a minute, because guess what? We got more work to do. I'm going to go back out in the kitchen and start pulling my hair out some more. Going through drawers. Yep. Alright, come on. We're going to say goodbye to everybody. Come here. Come here. No, up. Up, 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 up. Tell everybody thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this little video. And we'll see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone. Say bye-bye, Pay. Stop biting your mama. Oh, we're going upside down? Alright. Bye, everybody.